Nowadays, your backyard is an extension of your home, and it's a lot more than just a deck and a grill.
That's right. Propane takes outdoor living to the next level by powering your entire backyard and creating a comfortable and living space for entertaining, dining, and of course, relaxation. Just like an indoor gas range, propane grills give you instant on-off convenience and precision, temperature control for a perfectly done meal every time. With no coals, soot, or ash, cleanup is a breeze too. But why stop at the grill? Propane can help you create a luxury, state-of-the-art kitchen outdoors.
Who doesn't love the ultimate outdoor cooking and entertaining experience? That's the best part, is that's all powered by your home's propane supply. Propane lighting like torches creates an unforgettable look for your yard and can add dramatic flair to your pool or patio.
Powered by portable tanks are your home's main supply. They add beauty and value to any home.
A chill in the air shouldn't stop you from enjoying an evening outdoors.
Real flame and real warmth at the flip of a switch. That's the advantage of an outdoor propane fire pit, fireplace, or patio heater. When you're done, you can shut it off instantly. Propane heating extends the patio season and livens up chilly evenings with the cozy warmth of a fire.
Swimming isn't just for the summer. Extend the shelf life of your pool across all seasons.
Propane pool and spa heaters warm pools faster by bringing the water to the desired temperature more quickly than electric heaters with lower energy cost.
For a home that boasts both a pool and a spa, a propane outdoor dryer and shower helps with cleaning up and drying wet clothes and towels without having to track water through the house. Ready to dive in?